You're soaking in science. You're a primate. You have mass. Mitochondria in your cells are generating energy. Presumably, you're breathing oxygen. But astronomy is different. It's still science, of course, but astronomy puts you in your place. Because of astronomy, I know we're standing on a sphere of mostly molten rock and metal 13,000 kilometers across, with a fuzzy atmosphere about 100 kilometers high, surrounded by a magnetic field that protects us from the onslaught of subatomic particles from the sun 150 million kilometers away, which is also flooding space with light that reaches across space to illuminate the planets, asteroids, dust, and comets from that camera are taken and analyzed. You have to know what to do with them. Do the observations fit the physical model of how stars blow up, or how galaxies form, or the way gas flows through space? Well, you better know your math and physics, because that's how we test our hypotheses. And someone who does that is generally called an astrophysicist. Of course, those telescopes and detectors don't create themselves. We need engineers to design and build them, and technicians to use them. Most astronomers don't actually use the telescopes themselves anymore. Someone who's trained in their specific use does that for them. Some of those instruments go into space, and some go to other worlds like the Moon and Mars. We need astronomers and engineers and software programmers who can build those too. And then at the end of all this, we need people to tell you all about it. Teachers, professors, writers, video makers, even artists. So I'll tell you what. If you have an interest in the universe, if you love to look up at the stars, if you crave to understand what's going on literally over your head, then who am I to say you're not an astronomer?